This video, I'm going to share with you 2 ways you can add your Hollyland wireless microphone to your MacBook. Let's get into it. What we have, so we have this type C 2-way cable, we have our microphone, we have this is the Hollyland wireless connector. So the first way you can add this Hollyland microphone to your MacBook is we are going to use this connector first. So we get this connector, we are going to add it to the MacBook like this because it has a type C. So we add it like this and it's going to show that it is on. So for us to confirm that it is connected, we are going to go to Control Center. We are going to see this sound. We click on this arrow and then we are going to go to Settings. So when you go to Settings, you are going to click on Input. Make sure that it is on Input, and you can see here wireless microphone USB is connected and it's seen on the input level that it is recording. So this is how the first way you can connect to the MacBook. So I can even get my mic like this. I'll get my mic and you can see that my mic is on. I can just start recording now. So another way you can do this is, let's go back. So we are going to use the type C 2-way cable now. So I've removed the connector here. So we have the type 2C. So I'm going to connect this to a connector like this, and then I'll connect to the MacBook the other way. So go to the settings. When you go there, you can see here it is even showing input level that it is recording and my microphone is on. So I can quickly start recording using my MacBook with the Hollyland wireless microphone. So thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel. Remember to leave a comment and like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.